Welcome to the Foodellers. We are a team of food travel experts who travel the world to bring you advice, tips and recommendations and to give you ideas for your next trip. Today we talk about how to make mocha coffee with an Italian coffee maker. If there's one thing Italians know how to do well, it's coffee. Originating from Italy, mocha coffee is an institution, a lifestyle, and an indispensable part of the daily routine for millions of Italians. But first, what is a mocha pot? The mocha pot is a two-chambered device primarily made of three components: the bottom chamber or cylinder, the filter funnel, and the top chamber or collector. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the traditional Italian method of making mocha coffee using a mocha pot. Step 1. Fill the base chamber with water. Do not cover the valve. It is a safety feature to release pressure if it gets too high. Step 2. Add the coffee to the filter. Fill the filter with ground coffee until it's full but not overflowing. Step 3. Assemble the pot. Ensure that the filter and rubber gasket are in place and in good condition. Step 4. Brew your coffee. Place the mocha pot on the stove and turn on the heat. Step 5. Watch for the coffee. You'll hear a gurgling sound when the coffee will start to fill the top chamber. Step 6. Remove from heat. Remove it as soon as the coffee stops flowing smoothly and starts to gurgle and bubble. Step 7. Mix and serve. Pour into your favorite cup and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more food travel videos.